Bro, I'm gonna start everything from the beginning.
Sure.
Feel me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I wanna show you how I get my entries from any type of pairs, any type of
Okay.
any type of pair. So
Yeah.
this trading way is gonna help you so much, my brother.
Yeah, man. Thank you, bro. Respect.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'm gonna clean everything from the chart. All right.
Okay.
So as
Yeah.
you can see, this one is 4 hour time frame H4. So to everyone who's watching right now, remember that you can be able to join our free Telegram group if you want to. The link is always on the description below. Then let's continue with the lesson. We can see
Yeah.
that the market is flying, it's going on an uptrend.
Yeah.
But we do have some peeps which we might catch from this trade.
Right.
Yeah. So as we switch on 4 hour time frame,
Mm-hmm.
we have some small peeps which we might catch from this market.
Okay.
So if we look at this point here, we can see that the market is being here at this point,
Yeah.
gave us the downtrend,
Yeah.
and we got pullback,
Mm-hmm.
and then we got continuation on downtrend,
Yeah.
and now we got another pullback.
Yep.
So which means we already have something like 3 touches. If we can use that, so we don't know yet if we have maybe 3 touches, but let's just use our trend line strategy. Then we will see what our trend line strategy will tell us.
Yeah.
Hear me, bro?
Yes, bro. Yeah. Yeah.
So right now I'm gonna pull up my trend line. I don't know what I'm doing, but the trend line is gonna tell me what is happening.
Okay.
Cool. The trend line says that we have 30 touch to the trend line.
Yeah.
So now, since we have 30 touch to the trend line,
Mm-hmm.
this is more powerful, right? So now we'll start
Yeah.
paying attention to the market. We're gonna try to switch on 1 hour time frame
Yeah.
until on 15 minutes time frame, just to have a look, a clear picture, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So right now, let's go on 1 hour time frame. We
Okay.
must have like a clear picture.
Yeah.
Yes. So 1 hour time frame, we can see that this is what has been happening,
Mm-hmm.
and we can see that this is the 30 touch to the trend line.
Yeah.
This one,
Yeah.
wait, this one is the 30 touch to the trend line.
Yeah.
But we can't try. We cannot trust this 30 touch, bro, because we don't know. The market might continue like this on uptrend.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So before we enter the market, we just gonna put this market right here on our trading list. Where we put our pairs that we're planning to take, because we still
Yeah.
need to see some more information before we enter this trade.
Sure. Yeah.
We cannot just jump in and sell this currency just because the market it's already give us the 30 touch around this area.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So as me, what I'm gonna do as a professional trader,
Yeah. Yeah. For sure.
because I've seen that the market did break some zone right here. If you look at this, you can see that we had some zone here.
Okay.
You know, the market
Yeah.
has been coming like this on the zone. You know, this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
End of the day, broke the zone. You know,
Mm-hmm.
the market gave us the retest to the zone, but continued to the trend line.
Yeah.
So this is the reason we can't trust this market, but let's just wait and see what's going to happen. So what we're gonna do
Mm-hmm.
right now, we're just gonna we're gonna put another trend line you know, small trend line around this point here, you know, something like this.
Okay.
Because we need
Yeah.
more information, bro.
Right. Okay.
We need more information before we enter the market. All right. Then this
Yeah.
is what we have. You know, this is just a simple, bro. This is just a simple. I didn't want to put many trend lines from there to there, but you know, my attention is to catch this. This is what I just want to catch from the from this market. This.
Right. Okay.
Because
Yeah.
if I look the overall of the market on daily time frame, you see, the market looks like still gonna go on uptrend, because you can see that the market it's flying, bro, on uptrend. But
Yeah.
on low time frame, I see like 90% that I might be able to catch these pips.
Okay.
You understand? The market
Yeah.
might come to this point here, you know, to this point here, and then after this point, maybe the market is gonna continue, or is gonna continue on uptrend, because this is what we saw on daily time frame. But the low time frame, bro, says that we are 90% to you know, to have these pips, these ones. Let me show you what I mean.
Yeah. Okay.
We have 90% to have these pips, these ones.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
Because you can see that the first we had these ones, correct? We had these ones, you know.
Yeah.
And this, we can count this as a pullback, and then continuation.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So to me, I'm like, yo, we are 90% with these pips right here. This is how many pips. Remember, bro, every day I do this with you, I show you this. It's usually happening, you know. So right now I can see this is a 40 pips, you know.
Yeah.
40 pips. We can just catch that. But the thing is, 40 pips sounds small pips for me, but how much risk am I putting on it? I always count the risk. 1 to 2, it's fine. I can take 1 to 2. You can see that this is 1 to how long, to what? Let me check. This is 1. Let me see.
16 pips.
16 pips to make 40 pips. It's not bad.
Yeah. It's a good one. Yeah.
It's a good one. But before we enter this market, bro, we need more information, you know, which means as soon as the market already touched the trend line, we're not going to jump in right now.
No. Okay.
So I'm gonna switch on 15 minutes as well.
Yeah.
Bro, please keep everything, keep all information, keep it.
Yeah.
The information is gonna help you, my brother. So, bro, if we switch on 15 minutes, bro, we can see that, bro, the market is dropping.
Yeah.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
The market is dropping. And we can see that the trend line, you know, that the market has been moving on. As you can see here, the market has been moving on the trend line as well. You know, this kind of stuff came around this point, and then we got some blowout from this trend line right here. All right. Yeah. So right now we still need more information anyway, by the way. So we have some zone around here. We have a zone, which is this one.
Yeah.
We have this zone right here, you know. And then after we got this zone right here, we're waiting. We're gonna be waiting for the market to break the zone. You know. Yeah. You know, bro, it's like a fishing. When you're fishing, you just put, you just put your gaps in the water, and then you're gonna be waiting for the fish, right?
Yeah.
To catch it. So now we already put our analysis in the market. We will be waiting for the market to respect our analysis.
Yeah.
If the market, respect our analysis, then we're gonna get in. So this is what I'll be waiting for, the market to come
Yes.
all the way down to this point here and give us the pullback.
Yeah. Yeah.
After pullback here, we just gonna be waiting for the continuation. When the market start going down this way around this point,
Yeah.
then we're gonna
Yeah.
enter.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
So right now we still gonna be patient. Then we're
Yeah.
gonna
That makes.
yeah, when the market start on coming down this way, we're gonna enter and continue the market. After once we get our TP around this point, we out.
Yeah,
Because
sure.
remember what we saw on daily time frame. We saw that this market it might continue on going uptrend.
Yeah, it's bullish. Yeah.
You understand? Yes. So what are you saying? What is your question, bro? Like, do you have any question?
No, actually, it made a lot of sense to me. The way that you broke it down, I understand the structures and waiting for the break and the retest of the market before you could make your entry. You gotta wait for the confluences before you take your entry. Yeah, basically.
So, bro, do you think like everything you see on the chart? Do you think like it's clear? Everything that
For
you
sure.
see on the chart.
Yes.
If you look at
Yes. Very.
if you look at the chart, do you think the chart it's clear? You can be like you can see everything. Like, yeah, this is a really clear chart.
Yeah, for sure. There's not, you kept it very simple to understand, but you've put it into detail as well. It's simple, but you put it into detail very well to make me understand. So yeah, I can understand very well.
So, any question, bro?
Nah, not really. No questions, my bro. Nah, I'm up to speed with it. I'm up to speed with it.
All right, bro. So the reason why I put the zone, you might ask these questions, bro. Sometimes, like
Yeah.
why did you put a zone, and like why are you expecting the market to come all the way down to this point here? Like something like this. I mean this. Some small questions like this. They're gonna help you so much to learn to be able to learn everything that I have in my mind, according to how I look to the market, how I get my entries, how I enter the market. So like you might ask, like, why do you expect the market to come all the way to this point here? So let me just break this down for you.
Yeah.
You see why I put it the zone that I have around this point here.
Yeah.
Every day, bro, you see the market. First, let's say okay, so let's say like the market. Let me do this. I'm trying to do something, but just hold on. Okay, cool. So the reason why I put the zone around this point, this area right here, so you need to understand that this is another strategy, bro. All right, the market came to this point here, right?
Yeah.
And then came all the way to this point, gave us this move. You see, I'm trying to break down the way the market has been moving.
Yeah, sure.
So the market, it doesn't have to break this area here. When the market break this area here, you have to know that the market is about to go high. You understand?
Yeah.
So that's why before the market reach around even this area right here, you already put this is on something like this. Wait. You must be already put something like this,
Yeah.
around this area. Even before the market reach around this point, It's like even right now, you can also put, even right now you can also put another zone. Let me show you. You can do this,
Yeah.
and you still also can do this. You know, you still also can do this.
Okay.
You see this?
Yeah.
So you still can do this too, and be like, yo, okay, I'm expecting the market to go on downtrend, right? But by any chance, the market didn't respect this one, maybe decided to come up to this point. As soon as the market is gonna break this zone right here, this one, the top one, the top one.
Yeah.
No matter what, I'm gonna take this risk. Because when the market break out to this one,
Yeah.
yo, bro, you must know, like, hey, the market is going to do something like this.
Yeah. Stop you out.
You understand? No, it's going to do something like this. You understand? So the zones, they are very important. So the zones, they are very important. You need to put some zones in the market.
Okay.
And once you enter, like if you're gonna be like, I wanna take this risk, as soon as the market break out around this area, you need to make sure to know that when you enter with a buying opportunity, your zone, your stop loss is going to be around this point, this area here, below the first zone, the previous zone.
Okay.
Something like this. So, bro, sometimes you don't need to tight your stop loss so much, because you stopping you tightening your stop loss, it doesn't mean that you're going to stop the market to move. You understand?
Yeah.
Because the market has its own right place to put the stop loss. You can't just be like, no, I think this is gonna be too much pips, let me just put the stop loss around here. The market is gonna stop you out anyway.
Yeah, nah, you know what it is? I just go off the size of the account that I'm using. Do you know what I mean?
No, bro. The right way of doing it, even if you have a small account.
Yeah.
When you have a small account, bro, what you're gonna do is you're gonna use a smaller size. You understand?
Yeah.
The low size that is gonna allow you to stay in the market, by the way.
Sure. Yeah, it makes sense.
So what I mean by zone, bro, is this: when you see the market breaking the zone, you must know it's the continuation of that way. If it's gonna break the zone on uptrend, you must know is is the continuation on uptrend. If it's gonna break this one on downtrend, you see it's coming to break this one on downtrend. Let me show you. It's coming to break this one on downtrend. It's coming to break this one downtrend. You can see here.
Yeah.
Wait. As soon as it's gonna break this one, then we're gonna expect some pullback around this area. Here, it might be here, it might be here. Anyway, it's fine. But when the market started coming down around this point, then we're gonna enter, then continue all the way. Yeah. So, bro, any question? By the way, this is not what we're expecting. What we're expecting right now is this. Let me put everything back as was. This is what we're expecting right now from the market.
Yeah.
This is what we're expecting from AUDCHF. Something like this. But don't forget, we need blackout.
Yeah.
And pullback.
Yeah.
And continuation. You understand? This is what we need. Bro, I promise you. You understand? I promise you. if you can do this over like 10 markets like this,
Yeah.
bro, 10 markets, you might win 7.
Yeah.
You might go wrong by 3.
Nah, it's a good strategy, man. It's really good.
Bro, I hope you see this.
Yeah, I do for sure. Yeah.
So now, as you can see, the market is breaking, is trying to break this area right here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, bro, you love it?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. So let me keep the chart. So now, after I'm done this, I'm gonna keep this chart. Then I'm gonna upload it into my free Telegram group.
Yeah.
To anyone who wants to join the free Telegram group, the link is always on my description below. Because some people, they always send me some messages asking me like, how do I join your free group? And once you join the free group, this is your profit, because after I share this to the free group, I just want to let everybody know, like, yo, this is the pair which we're paying attention at. This is the pair which we're paying attention at. So I'm gonna copy everything as it is. But this one, I'm not counting this one. This one, to me, it's already expired to me. Because this is the whole move which I'm expecting.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I want to make it so clear. But I think, let me just go on a 1 hour time frame. This way it's going to be able to be clear, something like that.
Yeah.
This is clear, bro.
That's definitely clear. Yeah. Yeah.
You see everything?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the pips as a stop loss is just going to be something about. But it's by the way, it's not gonna be around this point. It's gonna be around this point.
Yeah.
The stop loss, because the stop loss you always put on the previous high, which is this one. Yes. Yeah.
So yeah, that's 16 pips.
Bro, this is the real stop loss.
Yeah.
Understand? This is the real stop loss, because sometimes the market, it might come around this point, this area here.
Yeah.
I'm telling you this because, bro, we've been through a lot of things. The market might come around this area. Let me show you. The market might come around this area. You see, area here, just to give us the double top.
Yeah, and then drop after that.
And if you put your stop loss around this area, bro, it's just gonna stop you out, and you're gonna find your market already to your favor, but you're out of the market. So we do this because sometimes we know that the market might give you the double top and then drop.
Yeah.
The market does this many times, so that's why we always put the stop loss at the previous high or at the previous high low, depending on which kind of business are you going to be a seller, are you going to buy? You see?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So if you entered around here, you know that your stop loss is going to be around this point here. You see this point here? The market went up and come back to this area. Some people, they put the stop loss around this area. It depends. You always focus on the risk and the wings. You have to count that. When I count, I see that the wings it's lower than wings. Like the wings is lower than loss. The loss is bigger than wings. I don't take it. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, bro. So yeah. Just
nice, man. It's a good one.
It's a good one, eh?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, cool. So I'm gonna send this into my free group.
Yeah.
But remember that it's not guaranteed the market to move this way until we see all these confirmations that I said. Don't
Yeah,
forget,
yeah,
don't forget,
yeah,
don't forget, don't forget.
yeah. No, yeah, sure.
So I'm gonna send this into my free Telegram group.